Success, prosperity, wealth. Isn't that what we all want for our children? I think each parent who has a child is really very much interested to help the children to grow and to help them to be able to have a successful, a happy, a peaceful, a joyful life. And prosperity is a part to really reach that. You might have already realized that school will not help your child to really reach this outcome, because school doesn't have, at the present moment, how it is built, the responsibility to really teach. At least it's not taking on the responsibility. And this is why still this huge responsibility to help your child to really get an understanding of wealth, success and prosperity is up to you as a parent. So we created the workshop Prosperity Parenting, and we invite all parents, especially now in Gurgaon and in New Delhi, to join us on the 15th February, where we will give the workshop Prosperity Parenting. We will speak about on how to help children to grow a prosperity mindset, how to help them to understand concepts of saving, concepts of investing, concepts of dieting, and what is needed to really become a prosperous person, a successful person in life. What children need is resilience. What they need is the ability to have self-awareness, but also to have the ability to want to be a part of a good, healthy social economy. And so this is what it takes to really take children along the way. You as a parent, you're very much invited to join our workshop on 15 February in Gurgaon, where it will be given. We invite all people, New Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, to come and join our workshop to be able to get insights on what we would recommend you, how to help your child to grow into a prosperous, successful mindset. We introduced the concept especially for parents who have children in the age between 3 to 12 years, but also 18 years can come. So we will give you an overview of different topics. We will also give you an overview of the developmental state and what concepts to introduce at what age. And we will also speak about how you and I can help this future generation together to become a successful and prosperous society, even in the economic changes we are facing today. I hope you have time to really come and join us. I'm very much looking forward to spending the time with you. Wish you a good time. See you there.